Hi everyone, welcome to FunMax. In today's video, I am going to share why we celebrate Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January in our country. All Indian people celebrate this national festival 26 January. Why we celebrate it? Because prior to this date, India was under the British rule. After 26 January 1950, we became a republican nation. So, the significance of the day is we replace from the 1950 we replace the Act Government of India Act 1935 and we adopt a new rules and regulations, that is Indian Constitution. Indian Constitutions is a set of rules by which we got Purna Swaraj. The idea of Purna Swaraj was adopted on 1930, 26 January. So, the Purna Swaraj resolutions proclaimed from 26 January. Later to be celebrated as an independent India, Republic Day called for complete freedom from the British. So, we celebrate 26 January Republic Day because we got total freedom from British rule. Need of constitutions. Why we need a constitutions? Because constitution is a set of rules and regulations by which government run the country. Constitutions provide us rights, the fundamental rights, basic rights like freedom of speech, freedom of education, freedom of property, liberty for all citizens. So it allows the government to interface and restrict the economic and civil freedoms of our country. Who framed Indian Constitution? Mr. B.R. Ambedkar was framed the idea of Indian Constitution. He was appointed as the first Law Minister of Independent India 1947, drafting chairman of our Indian Constitutions and a chief architect of our Constitution. From 1950, Indian Constitution was enforced on Indian government. It was legally enforced on 26 January 1950. So we celebrate the Republic Day from 1950 ever since. It was adopted by the Constitution Assembly of India on 26 November 1949, but it became effective on 26 January 1950. Republic Day is as important to us as Independence Day. We celebrate. A parade takes place from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. The Army, the Air Force, the Navy participate in this parade. On this occasion, the President of India addresses the country with the Red Fort. The entire event is broadcast on the national channel of India. On this day, national honors like Veer Chakra, Paramveer Chakra are distributed. The day is a holiday in all government and non-government institutions. Different kinds of cultural program we do on this day. The Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has paid tributes to all who frame Indian constitutions. And the singing, dancing, etc. program are organized in different schools and colleges. The national anthem is sung after the president hoists the tricolor flag. So, as a Indian, we proud to celebrate Republic Day. The Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi was conveyed Republic Day greetings to all Indians. this year we are going to celebrate 72 Republic Day. Thank you.